etched in gold in the annals of history. A day not just of freedom, but of resilience, vision, and the undying spirit of a nation which refused to be chained.
Good morning, DPS Miapur. Our beloved Principal Gauri ma'am, esteemed faculty, and dear friends. Today, as we mark the 79th anniversary of India's independence, we embark on a journey through time. A journey that pays tribute to the past, celebrates the present, and ignites the spirit for our future.
The ceremonial lighting of the lamp symbolizes the victory of light over darkness and of wisdom over ignorance. To do the honors, we now invite our esteemed dignitaries. Our Principal Gauri ma'am.
The light of the lamp is the embodiment of divine wisdom. It dispels darkness, kindles knowledge, and illuminates the soul. May this light guide our thoughts, brighten our hearts, and bless this day with peace, pride, and purpose.
Let us now invoke divine grace through a heartful prayer. May it bestow strength, wisdom, and harmony upon our nation.
G20 Summit, India championed the inclusive process, positioning India itself as the voice of Global South.
Indian women are shattering class records. From Beti Bachao to digital startups, empowerment is the new norm.
Aditya L1 Green Tech AI. We're scripting a future where innovation meets inclusivity.
Good morning, dear students. Happy Independence Day. Today, on the occasion of India's 79th, I bring you a portal to the past. This is the book of Bharat, a living chronicle of our nation's trials and triumphs. But this is not. With every page turned, history awakens.
What does it contain, ma'am?
Wow, ma'am, what is that book about? It's huge.
It contains voices, some that roared, some that whispered, but all of them changed the course of our destiny. So read it carefully.
In a faraway land in South Africa, a young Indian barrister was ordered off a train, not for a crime, but for the color of his skin. That single moment of humiliation did not make it a bravery. From that injustice emerged a quiet storm, a force of truth and non-violence. That man became Mahatma Gandhi.
My weapon was the truth, my shield, non-violence. And with this, we disarmed the mightiest empire without drawing a single sword.
It was midnight, 1947. The world slept unaware. But in India, a nation awakened, not just from slumber, but from centuries of colonial rule. Leading this awakening, with wisdom in his voice and hope in his gaze, stood our first Prime Minister, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru.
Long years ago, we made a tryst with destiny. And now the time has come when we shall redeem ourselves. This freedom is not a gift. It is a debt paid with courage, sacrifice, and unity.
They are the soul of India. And now, we carry the legacy forward. For the freedom they won must be protected, not just with weapons, but with wisdom, integrity, and compassion.
Bapu, we have won freedom over 7 decades ago, but can we truly call ourselves free today? Have we honored the soul of your Swaraj, or have we simply replaced one kind of control with another?
Swaraj was meant to liberate the soul of the nation, not just from foreign rulers, but from fear, inequality, and hate within. Yes, I see progress in your signs, in your voices, in your women marching ahead, but I also see unrest, division, and greed growing quietly.
जनता कर रहे त्राही त्राही, जनता कर रहे त्राही त्राही, बुलडोजर की तबाही, बुलडोजर की तबाही, जनता कर रहे त्राही त्राही, जनता कर रहे त्राही त्राही, काले कानून वापस लो, वापस लो, वापस लो, काले कानून वापस लो, वापस लो, वापस लो.
A dusty priest's words as an elderly figure walks slowly with a stick. It is Gandhiji, dressed in white, serene yet firm.
Namaste, my friends. I heard the cries of the trees, the rivers, and your hearts. Tell me, what ails this land? True development uplifts all, not just a few. When progress destroys nature and land and ignores the poor, it becomes violence.
We find cases of protests, but the system is slow and the winners are gone.
With all due respect, Gandhiji, we follow rules. We are investing in this area. Isn't that good for the economy?
True investment is in the people, in clean air, in water that flows freely, in forests that breathe. not in concrete that silences birds.
It's complicated, Babu. There are approvals. Some may not be contributing.
A law that only serves those with wealth is no law at all. True governance must protect the weakest, and nature is among them. Then protest with peace. Disobedience, yes, but with dignity. Let there be satyagraha. Let there be a non-violent forest march.
So you mean refuse to move until they stop?
Yes, sit under the trees. Do not raise your hand in anger, but do not rise until justice is done.
But this will ruin my business.
A business that ruins lives deserves to be ruined. Start a new work with the people, not over them.
Okay, Babu. We'll sit beneath the banyan in silence. Let's Well, we'll plant a sapling for every tree they cut.
And I will report every moment of it. Truth is our weapon.
Then truth shall win. Remember, the earth provides for every man's need, but not every man's greed.
The villagers, inspired by Gandhiji's presence, sit beneath the trees. The grass is hot. The
Satyameva Jayate.
Students, now you shall witness the true worth of the word freedom. As per our visionary, Pandit Nehru, and what its relevance is today.
Panditji, that midnight hour stirred a sleeping nation awake. But even after 79 years, have we truly risen? Is this the India that you have dreamed of, or are we still chasing the vision in parts?
At the stroke of the midnight hour, India awoke. But beta, remember that awakening is only the beginning of consciousness, not its fulfillment. We have built, achieved, soared, but we have also stumbled, forgotten, and divided. My dream was of an India where knowledge walks freely, and poverty, ignorance, and injustice retreat quietly. We are not there yet, but every child in school, every hand lifted in unity, brings us a step closer. Keep questioning, keep building the dream lives if you dare to carry it forward.
सुबह से बैठा हूँ, कोई देखता तक नहीं है। जीना यहाँ, मरना इसके सिवा जाना कहाँ। जीना यहाँ, मरना यहाँ इसके।
अरे ओ, क्या समझ के रखा है? दुकान है या धर्मशाला? चल हट इधर से, कहीं और जाके बैठ। जा इधर से।
कल तो ही पेट्रोल भरवाया था, पर आज फिर से खाली। जिंदगी भी कुछ ऐसी ही है, जितना भरो उतनी तेजी से खत्म हो जाती है।
जी, भगवान पे भरोसे है तो काटनी तो है जिंदगी।
नहीं माँ, भगवान भरोसे नहीं, पापा के भरोसे। और वो स्कूटर को प्रेशर कुकर बना चुके हैं।
उबलते उबलते मेरी पैर ही गुम हो गई है। पापा एक मिनट रुक जाओ ना, अपने पैर ढूंढने दो।
हेलो। हाँ, इसीलिए फ़ोन किया था। कल शाम को मेरा फ़्लाइट है। हाँ, कल मिलते हैं डील फाइनल करने। हाँ चल ठीक है।
बाबा भूख लगी है ना? ये मत खाइए, ये लीजिए, ताजा बर्गर है, आप खा लीजिए।
धन्यवाद बेटी, आज पेट तो नहीं भरा मगर मन जरूर भरा है।
हमने आज़ादी की लड़ाई लड़ी थी ताकि हर किसी को जीने का अधिकार मिले, पर आज कोई रोटी फेंक रहा है और कोई उसे उठाकर खा रहा है। क्या ये वही भारत है जहां हमने खून बहाया था? एक सड़क में दो भारत चलते हैं, एक की जेब भरी है और दूसरे का दिल।
यह है हमारा भारत, जहाँ कुछ लोग सोने के चम्मच लेकर जन्म लेते हैं और कुछ रोटी के टुकड़े के लिए तरसते हैं। आज़ादी सिर्फ तिरंगा फहराने से नहीं आती, वह तब आती है जब कोई भूखा ना सोए, जब हर इंसान इंसान को देखे। आज भी कुछ दिलों में रोशनी बाकी है, पर क्या यह वही भारत है जिसका सपना हमारे सेनानियों ने देखा था?
हाँ, मैं भी कभी आज़ादी की लड़ाई लड़ा था, पर अब मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि मेरा आज़ादी अभी भी अधूरा है।
भगत सिंह ने इनकलाब दिलाया था, अब हम बदलाव लाएंगे, बदलाव।
स्वतंत्रता सेनानी पेंशन ये कोई पैसों की मदद नहीं है, यह इनके त्याग और बलिदान का सम्मान है जिसे जीवित रखना हमारा कर्तव्य है।
हम अंत्योदय योजना से हर थाली तक रोटी पहुंचाएंगे।
जन धन योजना से हर हाथ में आर्थिक ताकत देंगे।
जन सुरक्षा योजना से हम सब सैनिक जवानों को सुरक्षा देंगे।
उज्ज्वला योजना से माओ को दुआएं से राहत देंगे।
आवास योजना से हर गरीब को घर देंगे।
स्टार्टअप इंडिया से नया भारत की नींव रखेंगे।
हम एक नया भारत बनाएंगे जिस पर हर शहीद को गर्व होगा। आप सभी हमारे साथ जोर से बोलिए, हम नया भारत बनाएंगे,
हम नया भारत बनाएंगे,
हम उठेंगे,
हम उठेंगे,
हम बदलेंगे,
हम बदलेंगे
और एक नया इतिहास लिखेंगे,
और एक नया इतिहास लिखेंगे।
जय हिंद,
जय हिंद।
Dear students, now you are going to explore nation building through the lens of Rabindranath Tagore's contributions. Tagore believed in holistic education, freedom of thought, and cultural exchange. He founded Vishwabharati University to combine Indian and Western education.
So children, hurry up, because we are going on a field trip to Vishwa Bharati University to discuss how we can apply these principles in real life to build a better future. So pack your bags and form a line.
Gurudev, you once dreamed about a fearless nation, one guided by reason, not rage. But today, amidst noise, divisions, digital distractions, what does India truly need to awaken?
I once wrote where there is a mind without fear and the head is held high. But tell me, is the mind today truly free or merely loud? We confuse information with wisdom and identity with intolerance. India must awaken, not to power, but to purpose, not in hatred, but in harmony. The lamp is still burning, but the wind is strong. Protect it with truth, with compassion, and with courage.
Ugh, another viral debate video. So much shouting, so much outrage, but no real meaning.
Honestly, Gurudev, we are surrounded by opinions, but there's no space left to actually think.
Even during breaks, no one talks, no one plays. It's just screens. We are more connected than ever, yet more alone too.
It feels like we're losing something deeper, not just attention, but awareness.
Sometimes I miss the noise, the laughter, the silly games we used to play. But now, it's just scrolling, tapping, and silence.
I once dreamt of a mind unshackled by fear, a head held high with dignity. But today the chains are invisible, woven with noise, haze, and glowing screens. We chase distant voices like glowing screens, yet lose the quiet music within. We connect faster, but fail in soulless, for our soul lags behind the signal. Children of the future, remember, technology is not your enemy, but do not let it be your master. Let your screens not blind the sky, nor your thoughts be reduced to taps and swipes. Balance the speed of progress with stillness of reflection. As I said once, the butterfly counts not months, but moments. And as time, enough. Children, you too must learn to pause, to breathe, to be present. The true awakening lies not in power, but in presence. So let your minds rise above the noise, let your hearts return to still water, and carry the light forward. Not in haste, but in harmony.
Maybe what we need isn't more technology, it's more thought, more silence, more heart, less noise.
We confuse information with wisdom. We scroll so much, we forget to look within.
It is time to stop reacting and start understanding.
To choose reflection over reaction, meaning over mayhem.
And maybe, just maybe, if we listen to silence, we'll hear the soul of this nation again.
And when words fall short, we turn to silence, to rhythm that speaks louder.
This isn't just performance, this is remembrance, this is resistance.
Each step, each gesture echoes the courage of those who have walked before us.
So friends, let our bodies now speak what our hearts hold. A tribute to Vande Mataram, the soul of our nation.
जागो के अब तीन रंग से सजा है ये आसमां।
जागो के अब तीन रंग से सजा है ये आसमां।
राग देश धुन गा रही है पवन,
राग देश धुन गा रही है पवन। ठहर के बोले समय
अमर है देश मेरा।
देश मेरा।
We face every day. We have with us Kaloji and Shastriji to share their valuable insights with us.
The chains were gone, but so was the certainty. This was the moment India stood, fragile yet fearless, at the crossroads of destiny.
స్వాతంత్రం వచ్చింది, కానీ చాలా పని మిగిలిపోయింది. దేశ పునర్నిర్మాణం మొదలైంది. చేయి చేయి కలిపి దేశాన్ని అభివృద్ధి పదంపై నడిపించాలి.
And in that moment of struggle and hope rose the architects of our republic, voices that gave us roads, rights, and resilience. Now, let us meet the visionaries who turn freedom into our future.
Shastri ji, your words, Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan, were once a call to action. Today, they're a living reality. Our Jawans have led revolutions in technology, peacekeeping across the globe. How, with this strength in soil and courage in uniform, how do you feel your vision has evolved?
Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan. These words were not just a slogan. They are the heartbeat of Bharat. Even today, they echo in every village and every border post. Our Jawans are not only protecting our frontiers, they are building bridges in Ladakh, rescuing lives, operating satellites, and representing India's discipline and valor. Our Kisans, yes, our Kisans are no longer just tilling the fields, they are leading revolutions in organic farming, using drones, conserving water, and feeding not just India but the world with pride. Yes, this is the India we dreamt of, where the soldier protects with courage and the Kisan nurtures with compassion. And when the Jawan salutes and the Kisan smiles, India doesn't just stand, it rises with pride and purpose. Jai Hind.
స్వాతంత్ర సమరయోధుడు, ప్రజల హక్కుల కోసం పోరాడిన ఉద్యమజీవి, తాను మరణించిన తర్వాత కూడా తన పార్థివ దేహాన్ని కాకతీయ మెడికల్ కాలేజ్కి అందజేయాలని ఆకాంక్షించిన మహామనిషి కాలోజీ. ఇప్పుడు ఇట్లాంటి ఉద్యమజీవి మన సమాజ పరివర్తనలపై స్పందిస్తే ఎలా ఉంటుందో అందరం తిలకిద్దాం.
నమస్కారం అండి. నాకు వయసు మీద పడ్డ మతి మరుపు రాదు. నిజమేంటంటే అప్పటి బ్రిటిష్ పాలన కన్నా ఈనాటి అధికారుల పాలనే ఇంకా భయంకరం. ఓటు అడుగుతాడు, ఓటెయ్యమంటాడు. ఒక్కసారి ఓటేసిన తర్వాత 5 సంవత్సరాల మన ముఖం చూసే ప్రసక్తే లేదు. ఇలా రాజకీయ నాయకులు ప్రవర్తిస్తే మరో పక్క తల్లిదండ్రులేమో పిల్లవాడి చేతిలో మొబైల్ పెడతారు. కానీ ఆ పిల్లవాడు మాత్రం ఎవరైనా చెప్పినా వినడు, మాట్లాడడు. మేమైతే పుస్తకాలు చదివాం, కానీ ఇప్పుడు మీరందరూ స్క్రీన్ల చుట్టూ తిరుగుతూనే ఉన్నారు. తెలుగు పదం పలకలేరు, కానీ బ్రో, మూడ్ ఆఫ్, వాట్ ఎవర్ అనే మాటలు మాత్రం తెగ మాట్లాడుతున్నారు. ఇదండి నేటికాలం పిల్లల పరిస్థితి. ఇక రైతు గురించి మాట్లాడుకుంటే రైతు పంట పండిస్తాడు, కానీ తన కడుపు నిండదు. ఇదే న్యాయం. ఒకరికి 3 భోజనాలు, మరొకరికి 3 రోజులైనా కనీసం దాహం తీరదు. ఇదేనా అభివృద్ధి? ఈ సమాజం మారాలంటే నేను నా కవిత్వంలో చెప్పిందే మళ్ళీ మీ అందరికీ వినిపిస్తా, వినండి. బతికే ఓ కవిత, బతుకు ఓ బోధన కావాలి, తాత్వికత కాదు. చేసే పని ఒక కవిత్వంలా ఉండాలి, అందరికీ అర్థమయ్యేలా, అందరినీ ఆలోచింపజేసేలా. పిల్లలు, చివరిగా ఒక మాట. చదువు యొక్క అంతిమ లక్ష్యం సమాజ శ్రేయస్సు. ఇది గుర్తుంచుకోండి. ఉంటాను మరి.
What a proud moment it is for us, dear children. Now, more than ever, when we strive to fight for our rights and uphold the value of our Constitution, we have the creator of this notable document, Baba Saheb.
Baba Saheb, your constitution led the path to justice and dignity. But even today, shadows of caste and inequality linger in parts of our society. Yet, we see change. Children from marginalized community topping exams, women leading courts and parliaments, and villages gaining digital access. In 2025, do you believe that we are walking the path you carved?
Equality is not just a destination, it is a continuous struggle. Yes, caste still exists in many hearts and in many systems, but I see resistance turning into resilience. When a Dalit girl becomes a district collector, when tribal youth start writing codes and building startups, and when every citizen can hold their heads high in a courtroom, that is justice in motion. Remember, liberty without social justice is just like a promise unkept. But Bharat is moving faster than I wished and stronger than I envisioned. Keep questioning, keep reforming. The Constitution is not just a document, it is a daily commitment.
मृतिका नहीं लाल रंगों त्याग तपस की है भूमि मृतिका नहीं लाल रंगों त्याग तपस की है भूमि तुम ही सृष्टि हो नव चेतन तुम ही सृष्टि हो नव चेतन तुम नव चिंतन कर की आज़ादी तब कहलाए तो शिक्षा की जलती रहे शीतलता हर मन में फैले प्रेम नदी बहती रहे
Times are tough for India today at the global forefront. We have been challenged in the past and in present. We withstood all these hardships by looking up to our courageous heroes, Netaji and Rani Lakshmibai.
Netaji, Netaji, you gave a battle cry that shook an empire. But today, when freedom often feels passive and comfort breeds silence, would you still call us a courageous nation? Would you be proud or concerned?
Cowards die many times before their deaths. But India must answer not with fear, but with fire.
आज की रानी तलवार से नहीं वर्दी से लड़ती है। मुझ में हर नारी का बल है, लेकिन याद रखो शक्ति के बिना शांति संभव नहीं।
You do not fight alone. You carry the strength of every woman who has ever been told she cannot, avenged or not. Your fight is not personal, it is national.
Jai Hind, ma'am. We fight for our sisters, for our soil, and for our soldiers who did not return.
हमारे पति शहीद हुए, लेकिन हमारी हिम्मत नहीं. This war is not for revenge. It's for reclaiming our rights to breathe without fear.
रणभूमि में डर का कोई स्थान नहीं होता। या तो सर ऊंचा करके जीत के साथ लौटो, या तिरंगा में लिपटकर अमर हो जाओ। पर याद रखो, हमारा रास्ता पीछे मुड़ने का नहीं, इतिहास गढ़ने का है। पछतावे की जगह नहीं, हमारे दिल में बस जुनून है।
Discipline, courage, and clarity. That is what separates an army from a mob. Pick up your rifles like you would pick up your nation's hope. Aim not at the blood, aim not at the blood, aim at the darkness that dares to challenge your light. Jai Hind!
मैं लड़ जाना है लहू में एक चिंगारी जिद से जुनू तक है जाना हर खतरा बोल रहा
Operation Sindoor was not just a mission, it was a declaration. Indian women do not wait to be protected, they rise to protect.
तुम मुझे खून दो मैं तुम्हें आजादी दूंगा was never just a slogan, it was a sacrifice. Azadi is not a trophy to polish, it is a duty to protect every single day. I see bravery on borders. Yes, I also see fear in standing up to injustice, in speaking truth to power. Azadi is not a relic to store in museums. It is a fire. If you let it fade, you will lose more than your past. You will lose your future. So rise, question, build and defend. Be fearless or else be completely forgotten.
They gave us freedom, yes, but not just to celebrate. They gave us a torch of sacrifice, of responsibility. The question is, have we carried it or simply admired its flame?
Udaret Natmanam Mahatmanam Vasudev.
Let a person raise oneself by one's efforts and do not let the self sink into despair.
India at 79 stands tall and powerful amongst all nations. So children, why don't we experience this celebration in the form of a dance drama that highlights Naya Bharat or New India, driven by dreams and powered by purpose.
ये पेंसिल क्या बरजो यहाँ खाओ अपनी ही जो पहली लफ्टों से खेला हो अपनी में ही जो भला और भूला हो कटार लेके आ तलवार लेके आ हसार लेके आ जा कटार लेके आ तलवार लेके आ हसार लेके आ जा आदि अग्नि अनंत अग्नि पर्वत अग्नि वन अग्नि काल अग्नि औताद अग्नि रक्षक अग्नि रण अग्नि
INA leader Subhash Chandra Bose wants to read out a message for you.
আজাদির ডাক লাখ 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 শত্রুর চোখে চোখ রাখ রাখ র্যাঙ্গুন থেকে টোকিও সবাক ব্রেন দিল রক্ত দোগালো সাহস দাঁড়ালো উঠে সে দাঁড়ালো নতুনের দাবি স্বাধীনতা চাবি আজাদিন চাই মনে মনে ভাবি বিপ্লবী তুমি বিপ্লব চাই বিপ্লব আলে রক্ত সদস্য সময় বিবশ হয়ে দেশে সুভাষকে বোঝা শক্ত
डटे बन के स्वराज लड़े झुम के खिलाफ डाली गोरों के आंखों में किए सड़कों पर मार्च मिले हमें इंसान भारत संघर्ष पर लिखी की रहस्यमय इंसान का पकड़ना आसान कार्य कारण में सबसे विध्वंस कौम लाश विमान में मरे ना मरे सवाल बस बना है दोष डटे बन के स्वराज लड़े झुम के खिलाफ डाली गोरों के आंखों में किए सड़कों पर मार्च मिले हमें इंसान भारत संघर्ष पर लिखी की रहस्यमय इंसान का पकड़ना आसान कार्य कारण में सबसे विध्वंस कौम लाश विमान में मरे ना मरे सवाल बस बना है दोष
So tell me, children, what is the use of freedom if it does not uplift the forgotten? What is the legacy of our heroes if it does not awaken the hero in each of you?
Indeed, Mom. Then let us write the next chapter. A chapter of justice, unity and innovation. A chapter where India leads not just with power, but with purpose.
India today is not just a land of ancient glory, but also land of modern brilliance. We are leading in space, startup, science, and most of all in unity.
This is not just independent India. This is empowered India. Atmanirbhar Bharat, where every voice counts, every dream matters. From freedom to fearlessness, from struggle to strength, we are India at 79. Resilient, ready, rising. Jai Hind!
Hello again, children. It's a joy to be among you. India has always been a land of culture, heritage, and art. But people in the modern India are still awakening in the field of art. Many unknown artists live amongst you. Many people like me, like Ram Prasad Bismil, like Bankim Chandra Chatterjee are still alive in this year. Amongst every single one of you, there is one artist which is unknown yet. And to put an example in front of you, I would like to introduce you to Naivik. He's a poet, and today he would like to present a poem written by him. Naivik.
I am Devik and I have written my poem named My Motherland. So here I go. Although I didn't see a bullet fly, just a thought sets tear from my eye. My motherland had a trembling hand when I heard the heartbeat of this land. They gave it all in freedom's name. Countless died without the fame. The soil of this land was once soaked in their blood. All their stories from Dandi to Jallianwala's mud. But how do I thank the one who died? Sadly, they couldn't see India's glorious side. I only live because they fell. Proudly, we have their stories to tell. The Tiranga isn't just a flag in air, but holds the nation in silent prayer. Today, the tricolor soars in high skies. Valor that strengthens it is beyond any price. Our journey has just begun. From moon to Mars, from trade to tech. Progress is ours. We will be the development's testimony. We young Indians will shape the right destiny. We young Indians will shape the right destiny. Jai Hind!
Beautifully written.
Dear students, today on this day of independence, let us arise and take a pledge to contribute to the welfare and progress of our nation. Now I would like to call upon stage our Team Disha House Captain Prasiddhi to enlighten us.
Greetings to everyone and a happy Independence Day from Team Disha. I am Prasiddhi, the Team Disha Captain Girl. As we celebrate our nation's 29th year of freedom, we reflect on the struggles and sacrifices that brought us here. We think about the future and what it means to be truly independent. It's a day to remember our heroes who fought for the right to be free and a sovereign nation. But as we enjoy the fruits of their labor, we have to ask ourselves, has the freedom reached every corner of a society? Has the education, a fundamental right, become a reality for a child in every country? Sadly, the answer is no. While we have the privilege of a quality education, many children aren't so fortunate. They lack even the most basic tools for learning. Imagine a child who has never held a pencil or written their name on a piece of paper. For them, a pen and a notebook aren't just school supplies. They are the first step towards their own personal independence. That's why I'm excited to announce the initiative starting today on this special 29th Independence Day. We are launching a year-round donation drive called Mission Saksham, Being Empowered. We are asking for your help to give underprivileged children the chance to experience their own kind of freedom. From today onwards, a donation box will be placed on the microphone point. We encourage you to donate new stationery items like pencils, pens, notebooks, and crayons on your special days like birthdays, anniversaries, or milestones. But this isn't just for special occasions like birthdays. We want this to be an ongoing effect throughout the year. Every single item you will donate will make a huge difference to a child's life. By contributing to this initiative, you are not just giving a pen or a notebook, you are giving hope. You are giving a child a chance to write their own story, to learn and to grow. You are giving them the first taste of independence.
Request Gauri ma'am to please address the gatherings. Please, ma'am.
Good morning, children. What do I say? 79th Independence Day we are celebrating. And definitely I could say that even when I travel abroad, wherever we go, now there is a sense of pride about being an Yes, I think somewhere we are a power to reckon with. I feel very proud when I hear our Foreign Minister, Mr. Jay Shankar, speak. And remember, long back when there was the US versus Russia, we practiced non-alignment. I think somewhere we said, we will stand on our own ground. We will not support this side or that side. Today, we are the talk of the town. So somewhere there is a sense of pride. Are you proud? Yes. And now the universities are closing for India. For the US, universities are closing. They are not letting Indians come. So what? Let us strengthen our universities. Let us be the force, because they are the ones who are going to lose a lot. Okay, I think it's coming from there.
Guys, boy, wait for national.
I think we have to.
At the backside, attention, freeze.
Wow, we are catching. This is because we are catching the wireless, Wi-Fi. It is catching the signals from there. Are we okay? So now, children, have a sense of pride that we are good enough. Now people are talking about India at every point. Understand? So first, are we proud? Yes! Definitely. And today, I was just recollecting when we were just 65 students in the school, and today we have 4,000 children here. Okay? So in each one of you, there is a bright Indian with a bright future. And if you take India forward, there is nothing going to stop. Today, children, very, very proud of all your acts. Very, very proud. I think first is the script was king, because through the script they said all that is over. Like Gandhiji has left his mark and has gone. Nehruji is no more. Nobody is there. Whether it is Subhash Chandra Bose or whether it is yes, Rani Lakshmi Bai, Shastri ji, all of them. But what is there is they are all there in our hearts, in our action. Really, Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan. Today, our Indian Army proved to the world that we are no less. Isn't it? A big round of applause to our Indian Army, who showed the world, हम किसी से कम नहीं. अभी सब लोग सोच रहे हैं, they are all thinking, my God, look at their weapons, look at their accuracy of attack, isn't it? So now we show them you don't mess with India. Second is, our science programs are class apart. We are cheaper than our programs in ISRO is cheaper than a Bollywood or a Hollywood movie. That once again says how good we are. So children, the only thing is, I feel me and my team of teachers are no less than soldiers, because in each one of you, we really hope to build a patriot. The 4,000, yes, let's clap for ourselves, because I sincerely hope in each one of you, the pride for India is there. So I thank all my dancers, the singers. The way some of them spoke, I had goosebumps. I hope they were able to, ignite some sense of pride for your country. So it is very easy to stand here and make speeches, but every single day we should be a patriot. So now, children, I'm bringing out the horrible side. I feel very hurt when you tear the seat buses. Isn't it? Seats of the buses. Are you a patriot when you do that? When you throw paper through the window on someone who is passing by? When you use bad words as a sense of pride? If you are an Indian, you will not use the vocabulary used by English movies of America. English movies. But I will tell you, British movies are far more respectable. It is the US. Do not imitate them. हमारे पास अपना words है. We don't have to use those words, which are not respectful. Today, their boys said, there was a girl from our school. Please listen to me carefully. She did not come to school last year for only one simple reason. She had shared her feelings to one of her classmates, who put it in Instagram and made a joke of her. Are we responsible then? Are we good Indians? That is the problem that is beautifully brought out with the play where, I took, it was in an international school that I was working before. I took children to Himachal. They were all on the phones, okay? Then I said, children, we are on some beautiful mountains. Can you tell me which mountain it is? No connection. In Himachal, which mountain do we have? Himalayas. Then when I said, children, we are at the Himalayas, can you understand? Oh, ma'am, Himalayas? Then they started. So the problem is, that is why we in our activities, we are trying to connect with real life. आप लोगों को, when you mark every day Himalayas in the map, but you don't know where, when we are going there, we have no idea where Himalayas is. Can you understand? The efforts that the teachers put is to connect your real life and your academic life. Can you understand? All of you? So do not be like that child who put the other child into a lot of shame and guilt. Be that friend whom I can count on. Please, please be that. Enough. You don't have to go to the war front. You do not have to go and shoot guns and all that. That is not expected of you. respect school property, respect public property. If there is a park in your apartment, jump on it such a way that it breaks. If you're going on a train, write something on the wall. That is what we do. I can still, of course it's far better, but sometimes I still see cookie wrappers on the floor. Your classrooms is your temple. You don't have to you don't have to light a diya every day. You don't have to tell the shlokas and mantras. You just take care of your action. That is the greatest prayer you can give to your country and your God. When you become grown up, please do not get into this whole power of we are Hindus, we are Muslims, nothing. Your parents might say, but you stick to your ground. We are all Indians. I have very good friends. We all have good friends across all religion. So be very proud to be an Indian. My humble request is we don't want you to go and fight. Fight every day's battle. Respect school property. And I'm ashamed when I see my children, hamper the bus. How much thousands we spend on cleaning it. My didis wipe it every day, pocha every day, and you just cut and then throw out the sponge. So seniors, I sincerely hope that the speeches that you made came from within, and you will carry the light forward and you will be exemplary yourselves. Will you promise me that on Independence Day, that you will set an example? You spoke with so much of fervor. My God, I was really impressed. So take that, convert it into action. Every dip site in every apartment, you will be exemplary. We did not put any kind of poster anywhere. DPS does not put any posters anywhere because you are my ambassadors, you are my advertisement. Understood? So in an apartment, they should say, who is this girl? From which apartment is she? Which school is she? They must say, we are from DPS. My God, DPS children are so good. They do not speak bad language. Be that child. Do not pride in using horrible language. Will you promise me that? Will you promise me that you will take care of school property? Now have you seen that we have painted it white and how beautiful the walls are looking? Don't take a knife and scratch it. Don't take a pencil and scratch it. Okay? Take care of your house. Take care of your school. Take care of your parents and elders. That is Indian tradition for us. Good job, children of grade 9 and teachers. Fantastic job. You made me a very happy principal today. Take the legacy forward. Set examples. Be exemplary. Thank you and have a great day.
Dear Principal Ma'am, teachers, staff, and my fellow students, I, Sanvi, on behalf of the entire DPS Miapur family, extend my heartfelt gratitude to everyone who has made this celebration a resounding success. To our Pro Vice Chairman, Mr. Ramesh Korantla, Principal, Ms. Gauri Sarkar, Vice Principal, Raina Ma'am, Senior Headmistress Sharmila Ma'am, Headmistress Pooja Ma'am, performers, backstage crew, teachers, scriptwriters and coordinators. Thank you for your tireless dedication. To our audience, your applause gave life to our efforts. Let us carry forward today's message that freedom is not just a moment, it's a movement. Thank you all. Once again, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram. Have a wonderful Independence Day.